Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I'm very excited to be sharing with you what I got from the Maxim clearance. So as I told you guys in last Thursday's video, show and tell number 216, filmed on the same day if you are watching these as they're being uploaded, I did make a purchase from the Maxim clearance that is not yarn related. Crafty, but not yarn related. With the exception, I did buy a set of stitch markers that look like little cat faces. But that doesn't really count, right? Because we can always use more stitch markers. Do we ever actually have enough stitch markers? So, as of filming this, unfortunately, it's literally 6 days before this is going to be going up. The clearance is still, up and active on marymaxim.com. What happens between today and when you guys see this video, unfortunately, I am not sure. So definitely go check them out. I did go online and find a free shipping code. So I was able to get free shipping along with the clearance prices, but it's up to 70% off. So if there's something in this group you would be interested in, definitely go check that out. It's just 3 things. Minus the stitch markers. So everybody's grandma or great grandma seemed to have had the quilt look Christmas ornaments. And I've always really loved the way those look. And I also remember not my grandma, but a couple of my friends' grandparents or parents had the little wall hangings that looked quilted but weren't. So anyway, I've never really wanted to learn how to do this, but I've in search for a kit. What it is you have a piece of styrofoam or foam board or something like that, and you push fabric into it. So I know vaguely how to do this, but Maxim, as part of their clearance, did have a Christmas ornament. They had a couple of these. I just got the 50 Snowmen. I may or may not be tempted to go back and purchase some more. But this came with everything except for, I think, the punching tool. But it's got directions for everything. And so I was like, okay, that'll tell me how to fold the fabric and everything. These are not sewn at all. So I'm really hoping, I don't feel anything stiff in here. I just see T-pins. There's some T-pins. Oh, no, they're not T-pins. They're just regular straight. Okay, so we have pins, which is how I did the sequin ornaments years and years and years ago. I never did the beaded ones, just the sequin ones. And my sequin ones, because I accidentally used glass beads, ended up weighing 900 pounds. Hence why I wanted a kit this time around to try to make Christmas ornaments. Anyway, if you saw Thursday's video, you'll already be aware, I was already, super chipper before coming in here. I don't know why. I slept really well last night, so I think I'm just in a really good mood. I don't know. I don't know what sleeping this deeply normally feels like, and maybe this is just what it feels like to be well slept. I'm also filming at a weird time of day, too, so I could also just have anxiety. But anyway, that's the first thing I got. The other 2 items I got are in the same vein. So the first one, once again, is another Christmas project. And it's this little snowman. And once again, this is those wall hangings that people had. So you can see the foam, in this case, the foam has already been pre-marked for me and stuff. This is actually, I can't tell, it's hard here, but soft here. And when you look at the pictures, it looks like they've got a dull X-Acto blade that they're pushing it in with. And it's got all the fabrics. Let's see. Cut fabric included in the kit, tuck into grooves 1 by 1. No mess, no glue, no sewing, pinning, or special tools needed. After all the pieces are tucked into place, go back over and tuck in any loose bits. Photo instructions included. It's fun, it's easy, it's fast. Many of our designs can be done in a day. That's quite the Fun and easy to make, design and laser cut, no messy glues needed, no special tools needed. So anyway, I thought that was really, really cute. But what made me aware that they had these and that these were on clearance was this one. And how could I say no to that? Come on. That's adorable. Look at the little pumpkin jack-o'-lantern over here and the little buddies. And those are the fabrics that were included with this one. So anyway, that is what I got from Mary Maxim. Very quick and easy, very simple. They have, if you're in the market for some yarns, if you're looking for some yarns, definitely go check out the yarns. However, these are what I was in the market for, and I may be going back to get some more of these. I mean, what are the odds I can't do it? I hate it. I mean, I'm only going to get like 3 total, so I think they had 3 vintagey ones. I don't know. So anyway, that is what I got from Mary Maxim. I also got the little stitch markers. And also, I got something for the house, and I can't remember what I got. It immediately got incorporated into whatever it was I needed. That's why it's not, it didn't even make it into my basket. It immediately got put where it was going and is already in use. Anyway. So that's where we are. That's what we got. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. It is, like I said, it's 6 days before this is going to be going live. So next week, there may be another one where I'm like, hey, you know, I was really having some buyer regret, FOMO, of not getting the other ornaments. So anyway, we'll see what happens. I love you guys. I will see you on Thursday. Bye, guys.